Every once in a while you are able to do something that you always dream of. Today I am able to do that. Today I am going to be flying Emirates to Dubai and spending some time there. So taking you with me. We're on our way to Dubai on Emirates. Stay tuned because this is going to be amazing. Let's go check out this A380, one of the biggest airplanes in the world, commercial. Aren't we up this way?
We're up here. Is it 85 up there?
I thought 85 was up this way.
I think it is up there.
Okay, alright.
So where's the red carpet?
The king said we had Bro, that's the stairway to heaven right there.
Yeah, I was gonna go there, but you know what? All other people could experience that.
Right. Let them fly better.
I want to go down here.
Alright, so we just got on board and they just gave us this little packet. And inside, you've got something to sleep, your eyes, little socks. No way. They give you socks. Some earplugs.
We're now going to make the final preparations for departure. So sit back, relax, and enjoy your Emirates flight.
Our colleagues will be with you once we're airborne to ensure you receive a fly better experience. Thank you for flying Emirates.
All right, we got our first meal. Actually give you silverware. It's crazy. This is bathroom in Emirates. Very nice. Thank you. Thank you. All right, you know you're in Dubai when all of the Ubers are BMWs, bro. Check them all out. Those things are sick. Oh my goodness.